Good morning students, welcome to computer class. Today myself Ravinder Singh is going to teach about technology inside the computer. Basically the computer with its wonderful power of efficiency, speed, accuracy and diligence has left no stone unturned to make its user proud of its performance. Computer technology is improving by leaps and bounds, but the basics of its functioning remain the same technology inside the computer. Now let's in the next scene we will discuss about the computer system. A computer system is made up of many parts that perform a common function. In the same way, computer is a collection of different parts which helps in the working of a computer. Input devices, processing devices and output devices. Other than these devices and memory devices play an important role in enhancing the storage capacity of the computer. Now let's come to discuss about input devices. The input devices are those devices which are used to give instructions to the computer for processing by the user. Now let's discuss different types of input devices are there. The first, keyboard. The keyboard converts the key pressed by the user into digital signals which get stored in the memory for processing. Keyboard is the most common and very popular input devices which helps to input the data into the computer. The layout of the keyboard is just like of traditional typewriter, although there are some additional keys are provided for performing additional functions. Basically, two types of keyboards are generally there. First is standard and another is multimedia. Now another input device is basically a mouse. A mouse is basically special pointing devices which helps the user to give the instruction by selecting, clicking, double clicking and dragging. This is the most commonly input devices are there. Now next input devices is scanner. Scanner is an input devices which works more like a photocopy machine. It is used when some information is available on a paper and it is to be transferred on the hard disk of the computer for further manipulations. Scanner capturing images from the source which are then converted into digital form that can be stored on the disk. These images can be edited before they are printed. Basically, these scanners are generally used in different types of offices. This is generally used to convert hard copy in a soft copy. Now next input device is basically barcode reader. Barcode reader is a device used for reading coded data in the form of light and dark lines. Barcoded data is generally used in labeling goods, numbering the books. It may be hand-handled scanner or may be embedded in a stationary scanner. Sometimes we have seen in the malls when a shopkeeper person has using this barcode for entering the data. Barcode reader scans for barcode image and converts it into alphanumeric values, which is then fed to the computer that the barcode reader is connected to it. This is the best and fastest way to entering the information in the computer. Discuss another input device is optical mark reader. OMR is a special type of optical scanner used to recognize the type of mark made by a pen or pencil. It is used where one out of a few alternatives is to be selected and marked. Basically, this OMR is used for checking the answer sheets for examinations having multiple choice questions. Another input device is microphone. This device helps to recording music and providing sound into the computer. Two types of microphones are there. Basically, one is external and one is internal.